So you've worn out the backing pad on your FESTOOL ETS sander. This has been a fantastic sander for me, but over time these pads do wear out. Now, there is no locking mechanism for this, so really all you have to do is hold the bottom of the pad and then use a 5mm Allen to undo the center bolt in the middle. Now these are generally pretty stiff from the factory. I thought for sure I was going to break it, so if you got baby hands like myself, you might need to grab a pair of gloves for the initial time that you break this loose. But now with it off, you can install a new pad. Now they do make several different pads, or 3 different pads. So they've got a standard pad, and then they've got a soft pad and a hard pad. So by default, if you haven't ever replaced it before, you're gonna have the medium pad, and then you can go to a stiffer one, or you can go to a softer one like this. Just depends on what you're sanding. If you're doing a lot of flat surfaces and that sort of thing, then probably the hard pad might work well for you. If you are going to more contoured surfaces and that sort of thing, then the soft pad is probably where you want to go. I'm going to be doing some body work on some vehicles, and so I'm going to have some contours around those panels, and so I went for the soft pad. Same thing in reverse. I drop off the nut, make sure that you get the bottom of the pad here interlocked properly. Drop in the new bolt and tighten it down. Now these threads are not reverse threads, they're just regular threads, so when you're looking at it from the bottom, it is a clockwise to tighten. And there you go, you swapped out your pad, and you'll be amazed at how much grippier this is for the sandpaper.